turn that on, okay, and then let's see, I want to say today's date is 13/11, January 6, 2024. Alright, so there's that. Alright, good. Alright, so now what I have is I repaired, okay, wait, I want to go back to, oh here, let's just hit this, refresh that, see if I'm live. I'm live, okay, so, and we can see myself, kinda, sorta, okay, great. Now I want to go back to here and open this in a new private window because I don't need any more accounts of my own self. So back on, what was this? 1 day ago. Well, okay, I made a video of this here, and about, I don't know, can I get to it? Anyway, so there we are, looking at my own video that I shot a few days ago describing this, and then I tried playing it, and and somewhere in there I couldn't get the cassette deck door open. Alright, so I'm going to stop this, alright, just stop that, or just kill it, hell, just goodbye. Alright, so there's my screen of videos I've uploaded recently, and so what I want to do next. Okay, so this is a Toshiba RT-SW9. It's confusing here, but now back in the day, back in 2018, and then in 2022, and then in 2024, I repaired 3 different similar models of the same thing. So the first one we're going to review is the Toshiba RT. Well, no, we're not going to do that. No, I'm doing this about this one here. No, not that one. No. Okay. This is okay, this short video with YouTube, not Facebook, is about the Toshiba RT-SW9. Alright, so I didn't take a whole lot of pictures of this model because I have taken apart the RT-8075 and the RT-SW9 before in the past. Alright, so I just want to show you the few pictures I took of this one. Alright, so here's the front of it, okay, and then here's the top of it, and I want to point out this has a power off switch, power on switch, and I don't know what that switch is for. You have a headphone, and you have a microphone jack. And then you have this is your slider volume for your karaoke mixing, for the mic that you can sing along with. Then you have a 3-band equalizer, which is 100, 1K, and 10 kilohertz. Alright, you have a volume control. Then you have your mono, stereo, and stereo wides buttons, and then this has to do with your tape, radio, and line in. Okay, and then you have your different AM, and then your FM, which is channels 1 through 13, and FM, and then you have your TV channels 4 through 12, like that. You have your own individual microphone for recording with, and then down here you have an editor, and you have this is a dubbing button for regular speed dubbing. This is for high speed dubbing, and this is for editor. This is for inserting a blank space in between tracks when you're recording. Okay, this right here is self-explanatory. You can play 1 to 2. You can play both. It'll play both sides forever. This will play one side and stop, and this will play just one direction, and that's it. Maybe that's what I don't know. Okay. Then here's your tuning scale, alright. And, yeah, okay, so there we go. So next picture. That's that end, okay. That's the tune end. This is the back. This is where you plug in your line-in item. That's the antenna, okay. Nothing else, and then this is your AC input only, okay. Alright, and then don't mention, I put the wrong tape on the wrong machine, so that just doesn't go to this one. Okay, and then here we are inside of this model, okay, and it's like that. And another picture, I don't know why, but I was trying to show something. Don't remember what. It's not important. We're the same picture. Then here's again just a picture of the only thing you have to unplug when you remove the front panel from the back, which is unplug the speakers. Those are speaker wire. Okay. And there's, can't tell if there's a belt in there or not. I think there is. Okay, another close-up picture of, unplugging that. Alright, and then here is, I think, the last picture I took because I was trying to understand why it would not, well, anyway. But the thing I like about this model is it has two motors. It has a motor for the capstan, which drives both flywheels, which are with your capstans. This is the motor. There's no date code on there. That's what it is. Okay, it's a 1600 or a 3200 RPM motor, 9 volt. Okay, and then the other one is just your fast forward and rewind and take up reel motor. Okay, so that's why I like this one, because it works like that. Should be the last picture. Nope, okay. This is the funny thing. This is in English. Those are the three buttons I just mentioned. So here's the editor, high-speed dubbing, and the regular dubbing speed. And then there's your play direction for both decks, and of course the tuning string, and like that. That's the last picture. Alright, there we go. So now, let me wide this one out, okay? Wide this out, and bring this down to here, about to there. And I have this plugged into batteries, so there's no batteries on this, but here it is. And just so we're sure, because I'm going to make two videos here, this is, say it right there, can you see that? It says, where is it? SW9, right by my finger. Got that? Can you see that? Okay, great. So, there's that. All right, so now, and before, a few days ago, I was unable to open this cassette deck door, right? So let me open it, like that. Okay. Take that out, close the door, open the door, close the door, okay. And here is another cassette in here, like that. Close the door, open the door, did that. Okay, so, and then here we have a Wish You Merry Christmas tape. We have my demonstration tape, and it's on batteries. So just that, this, that. Okay, this one you have to turn on, so let's turn it on. It's on, there's a power indicator light like that. And just ever so quickly, let's see here. It's in stereo mode, the volume is down somewhat. It's like that, and then put the radio on.
Franco's local.
So there's a stereo light comes on, alright. More stereo light. Stereo light again. So radio works. I'm not here about the radio, so I'm going to turn that like that. Now I want to get this, before I get to the cassette player, I want to get the line in with a, let me turn this on. Alright, so turn this on, come on. There we go. Okay, now it's working. Let me get this, plug this into here, right? So this is what, oh, who cares? It doesn't matter really. Just, there's one. Here's the other one. Okay, great. Alright, so now we got line in. Set that down. Okay, so now we're playing. Okay, so let's put it in radio, line in. So here we have. So playing my line in music. Okay, so now I want to get the microphone. Here is a can't even think of what, a dynamic microphone. Okay, it's just a dynamic microphone. It's a 3.5mm mono microphone. I'm going to plug that in here to the top where it says this one has a little emblem of headphones, this one has an emblem of microphones, so we're going to plug that into here. Okay. And if you note that the volume is down on the mixing, right? So if we go and we start talking, you get my head in here. So now I'm going to, oops, get the volume up. Okay, so yeah, now we can talk over it and sing to this if we could, but there's not really much. And we can get feedback if we want. So here, feedback. Got it? Okay, so you can do karaoke with this. Okay. You can do karaoke over the radio, which is there. You can speak over the radio if you want, and sing along to your favorite piece of music that's playing on the radio if you'd like. If you're that so inclined like that, of course you can change the station and do anything else. Or lastly, you could hit play and sing along to your favorite cassette. All right, so there's that. And I don't know what that's playing, but now this one won't auto reverse. It will try, but it won't auto reverse. I don't know why. Okay, so see, it does that. Now let me kick this out. All right, let me go over here and play this one while we have that. So this one will play auto reverse, but there's nothing on the other side of that tape. All right, so nothing on that side. Okay, so now let me stop this. All right, and heck, let's get a power cord and plug it in, because some people might think that the AC is not plugged in, so it's not giving it enough power or something like that. So here, let me plug it into AC. Okay. And just to be sure that we're plugged into AC. All right, now they got all these wires and everything hooked up. Let's see here, so I don't knock that. Let's here. I know you can't see me. Here. Let me take a battery out. So let's take a battery out. There's one Zentner battery taken out. Okay. All right, so that. Battery cover back on, one battery taken out, okay. And we will now play this on power cord. Okay, so just that there. Still works on power. Oops. There we go. So now eject, this, that one. This one, put this over here, and then hit play. And you can watch it, see if it won't auto reverse. I don't know why. See, it just stops. It will fast forward to the next song. Has music search one time only. Okay, so it does that. And both decks do that, in case you didn't know. Let's see here. This takes precedent over playing over that one, so let's not get that. So it's rather confusing here, but let's see here. So take this tape out, all right, and take this one out. Okay. And I'm going to show you this one here does also the music search. So hit play, and then you go. I'm sorry. Right, play. There we go. I want to go back. One more song. I like this because it fast forwards so much quicker. So, was that? Yeah. Anyway, so that works. Oops. No, stop. Okay. Anyway, so that's my review of this model. It does work. The radio works. It comes in stereo. Both tape decks work. You can if you don't have anything plugged in, turned into playing on that, we can hit pause on that. You can use that as a line in to speak your voice and just say hello. So putting it in line in, so now you can sit here and talk and say whatever you want, and hi, hello, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Okay. Anyway, that's how you do that. But Oh, you're leaving? Okay. Okay, very good. All right. Okay, well, that's all I know, so good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I've had so much fun here. This is for sale. Okay, it does have a complete antenna. Okay, and it goes in, goes out like that, right? It's, let's see, so it works on batteries. All right, so anyway, okay. I've had too much fun. So that is, let's see here. I hit this and pause, right? So go back to pause. Wait, still on pause. Play. So now we're back to my CD music. Right, so, right, and yes, it does get loud. Whoa, that's right. Got to unplug the microphone. Okay, so yeah. Equalizer works. No bass. Add all the bass you can get. Anyway, so I'm having too much fun here, guys. So anyway, that's it. All right, so. 16 minutes, I'm doing good. Alright, so looks like that. And by the way, I do have this one here, which is that model. And then I have this one over here, but I'm going to review that in the second video. So they're the same thing. It's just this is a UHF TV. This doesn't have TV at all. And this one is just straight TV, no UHF. That's the difference. Alright, so TV with UHF, and no TV. Got that? Understand? Alright, so, and yeah, I've got some of those over there as well. I'll review that later. Alright, so, here. Yeah, just, okay, been 18 minutes. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Yep. Okay, goodbye.